You're crazy. Have you figured out I'm taking your picture? Have you? Huh? Cute tummy. Cute tummy. Look at that white tummy. Look at that white tummy. Yeah. Woo. What's up? What's up? What's up, kitten? What's up? Kitten needs to have a vacuum, of course. Sorry about that. She just looks pretty cute right now. Come here. Come on. Whee! Hi. Like your orange boa, don't ya? You like the orange boa. Who can blame ya? Boas are cute. You look lovely in orange. Just like Tallulah did. This was her toy. Yeah, this was Tallulah's toy. Play with another one while you're at it. Yes, it's important. Get that, get that, get it. Good girl. Go. Whee! Two-fisted playing.